Hello guys, ito na po yung entry number 3. Ayan, from the College of Education, guide corner nila po for the National Women's Month 2025. Ayan yung mga information guys na makikita ninyo. Ayan. Guys, mag-like na po para manalo po ang department na to. Ating gagawin na competition.